So here's one way to pay respects to nature. So whenever you go out on a hike, think of it like a sacred hike. And at the trailhead, just take a moment, go within, and ask permission to enter. Ask for divine protection and safety, and for the messengers to come, like the birds or the insects or dragonflies. And tell nature that you come in peace and that you come to give light to the land. And you will have a very wonderful experience whenever you do that. Before you go out on a hike or walk on the beach or wherever it may be in nature, ask permission to enter. Do your protocol, and you will have a lovely experience, guaranteed.